ye wodi ya Nyansiongo ase murubiri gwo kubara chikura ogenderete gwikira boniga na boigo murubiri ye boigo niga genderete kurwa ase chigwodi chinde chionsi ekerokeria abasaki baito bagenderete kubeke kambia gose bagenderete kumurikira tuchikubareta eyemaseyemo eri bagenderete gutumanya na reya yagenderete kurwa ase ensemo eyu ase ensemo yende gusika mutwichinga kichibo igoni gabarai kurwa rogongo rwa gusi baereire iguru yobochori oboke bwaerire ase engana enene bakwanire niguru yechiburaburu abarai yabo ngamo no mubunge bwensemo ya Kitutu Masaba Cliff Gisairo mo senator we county ya Nyamira Kongo Mogeri amo no mubunge wensemo ya Kitutu cha Chenota Jafet Nyakundi asabo igobaruro kubolia gochia saba na inchi kubeka omorembe na mono engaki gobochori oboboke bwere na boigo bono murubiri bwo kubara chikura ogenderete gwikatonyole amachibu.
We have 3 by-elections, that is Nyansiongo, Ekerenyo and Nyamaiya. We are going around to see how the exercise is being conducted. So far we can say it's generally peaceful, except in a few instances where we are having some outsiders who are trying to disrupt the peaceful election by bringing in goons and trying to intimidate the voters. But what we are going to say that our people of Nyamira are resolute. They are going to hold the elections peacefully and ensure the vote is counted and announced as counted. We are not going to allow any voter intimidation, any attempt of voter bribery, and I really want to commend the work IEBC is doing in all the stations that I've gone to. They are quite keen. They're ensuring that there's no photography, no voters taking photos of the ballot paper, because that's one way of voter bribery, because you're given half of the amount and told that once you take the vote and take a photo to confirm, you get the additional half. In one of the polling that I've just entered here, the first person who voted was attempting to take a photo and the IEBC official was swift enough to block him. That is what we want IEBC to do, because this is a mock exam for IEBC. If you pass this exam, then we will be confident that you will be able to sit the exam of 2027 and perform well.
Kawaida kartowa kachukuro nangawanera inigere ntambe igondo chenga bantu etana utara bangia igondo etego saba bantu baminto barese wodi ya Nyansiongo, wodi ya Nyamaiya, wodi ya Ekerenyo wasoke siko asobonge bache kura na ndengo tabibaji chibasanjire nyote chigotara kurese serikali umuntu wadeunga nawe webesa gogocho ake ebiche kura ndeteko batange yuere maminja yelichi kero gocho morayo tobone ndiko uchibesa munyo chocho morayo aseigo gosaba bantu baminto bonske na bawo waka chikura wake kura yao onyerute boxime tobenya bataguna ake bicha ocho kuichibesa na nde to kulera abantu abauta nechibesa ngantu tageti amangana yo kuboraba tiya bananji bakechukura bachoro morayo batagete to banyamara goba tororenga ningo abananji bechuodi chisato bacho seyongo tebya bananji onde bwensi moko nyoro kubagachibesa barusi para nande karwe report oche tole oche serikali elinde atuwe eirwe
yamono asamanira ngoro kujafet mukaya Nyakundi no tura egetuwe kiamenyanya ntwabwate chikura chobochori by election Nyansiongo Nyamaiya na Ekerenyo twaja kurigereria process na chikura chigendere egetuwe kiamenyanya no chikura mbiyachire lakini twatwalire incidences cha violence in various polling stations. Again, to what I want to aminto na chikurechi ngero lyoka after lero chikurechi chiaerire kora nchabantu baito tigatubwaterane tukore chikure chomorembe, because after today chikurechi chiaerire naende Nyasaye achoretu mugambi kare lero buna tuliga Nyasaye na maite umugambi ningo. So let us have decorum, let us work together, let us coordinate each other.